So we are talking everything magnesium today. When it comes to magnesium specifically, our body doesn't make it. So somehow we have to get magnesium, whether that's in food form, whether that's in maybe something you're taking, any sort of like supplement, pill, you name it. Otherwise, you can also get it in lotion form. So when I'm talking about magnesium, it's used in almost every bodily function you can imagine, 300 plus functions, muscles, nerves, bones, liver, you name it. Magnesium is going to be involved directly or indirectly, most likely in some capacity. So when it comes to magnesium, there's also many different forms of magnesium, which can get really confusing. So there's 11 different forms that at least we know of. And when you think of magnesium, you're probably thinking of Epsom salts, which is wonderful, but I know there's people out there that are watching this that are like, I'm not a bath person, I'm not gonna use it, which is totally fine, respect, honor that. This is why I love an Epsom salt cream. So you can get the same sort of effect using an Epsom salt cream as you would with an Epsom salt bath. This cream specifically uses a magnesium sulfate rather than a magnesium chloride. Magnesium sulfate is a little bit more potent, meaning it's a little bit stronger than magnesium chloride, which is why we save our Epsom salt cream for the women's side of treatment rather than in the pediatrics room, just because it's a little bit stronger. We keep it on the women's side. We're bigger, taller than our babes. So that's why we keep it on the women's side specifically. With that though, love it for muscle work, a lot of muscle work. So using it on your neck, especially for people that maybe are a bath person, sometimes getting, into a bath, getting to that neck area can be a little bit more difficult. So it's wonderful to use throughout your day as things are kind of coming up, things are maybe getting a little bit achy throughout the day. You can just kind of lather some of that on, and you might think it has a grittiness to it because it's salt technically. It doesn't. It goes on so smoothly. It's absolutely wonderful. Highly recommend if you're someone that's dealing with kind of chronic muscle achiness to get some sort of Epsom salt cream. And if you are looking for one with that magnesium sulfate, this is your go-to.